When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, the spooks come out for a swing and play. Happy hearts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim pretty ghosts come out to socialize. As the moon climbs high on a dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Starts a shriek and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out and socialize.
Welcome, my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spooktacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween.
This is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the neighbor's gonna die of fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this world we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
And now, our disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along.
We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Poor unfortunate souls. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a sudden turn. Cruella de Vil. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Cruella de Vil. Trust in me. A Heffalumpa-woozle is very confusal. A Heffalumpa-woozle's very sly. They come in ones and twosles, but if they so choosles, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Elephants on parade, hippity hoppity, and elephants everywhere. Look out! Elephants on parade!
glad you could plop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a pretty time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas and Ruga come winds of the Caspian Sea. The Princess Lycidas, Max Laryngitis, La Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Unfortunate souls in pain in the end.
Yes! Yes! I know they're kidding when they call me a witch.
Unfortunate souls in pain in the end.
Listen up, sweet lips. I'll give you all a little treat.
Unfortunate souls, so sad, so true.
Next year, you'll be dressing like me.
Poor unfortunate soul. Be prepared.
Trick or treat! It is I, Jafar! I'm sure you wouldn't dream of starting the fun without me.
You're dead right.
Well then, let me treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky! You call that magic? Move over, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, 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 what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the Boogie Man. Hey! I say Boogie Boogie!
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the